Get ready for mass blockchain adoption. VeChain, a leading force in the crypto industry, is set to launch smart contract wallets, connecting billions of users and companies like never before. This landmark not only streamlines supply chain solutions, but also solidifies VeChain's position as a blockchain pioneer. Guys, let's look at the implications of this revolutionary technology, and of course, let's take a look at the charts for VeChain in today's update. So here we have it, VeChain to launch smart contract wallets connecting billions of people and companies for mass adoption and blockchain leadership. So in summary to the article, before we get into it, VeChain has made plans to launch smart contract wallets for greater connectivity. The wallet will amplify its supply chain offerings and enterprise solutions across the board. So as we can see, VeChain are gearing up for the introduction of smart contract wallets, a development set to connect billions of people and companies worldwide. The move not only underscores VeChain's commitment to technological advancement, but also solidifies its leadership in the blockchain space. So the introduction of ERC-4337 account abstraction showcases VeChain's commitment to security, a crucial aspect of blockchain technology. The innovation brings forth programmable smart contract wallets, a feature that promises to enhance user experience within the VeChain ecosystem. In collaboration with 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 Consulting, VeChain is currently undergoing a comprehensive audit of the smart contracts associated with AA by reputable cybersecurity company 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. This meticulous approach ensures that the core account abstraction contracts will meet the highest standard before being made available on both testnet and mainnet. It is obviously worth mentioning here that VeChain has already made notable strides in the supply chain industry, providing businesses with transparent and traceability solutions. And of course, anyone that is an avid watcher of our channels will of course know we've covered this, I think, phenomenally well. We have obviously met up with VeChain multiple times. We have a full catalogue of interviews with the team at VeChain, really understanding, what the goal of VeChain as a project is. So head on over to the Cheeky Crypto main channel, catch up on all of those interviews and really understand, where VeChain are positioned, what their goals are, the transparent and traceability solutions that they are, pushing towards. A fantastic overall company. We have really really understood what VeChain are trying to do, and I really implore everyone to do the same. So the introduction of the smart contract wallet amplifies the impact by allowing stakeholders to automate and execute agreements. So as we spoke about, the platform's collaboration with the coffee industry, allowing consumers to trace the journey of the coffee beans from production to distribution, exemplifies the practical application of blockchain in promoting transparency and consumer confidence. Moreover, VeChain has previously collaborated with industry giants like Google, emphasizing the practical application of smart contracts beyond token speculation. Google's cloud blockchain node engine, a notable blockchain offering, empowers users to access blockchain data, execute transactions, build smart contracts, and deploy decentralized applications. So as we previously covered, VeChain unveiled 𝗕𝗪𝗔𝗡. Now, 𝗕𝗪𝗔𝗡 is a revolutionary tool that empowers users to deploy decentralized applications, create tokens, launch NFTs, and deploy DAOs without the need for coding. So VeChain is really driving at every individual here, really aiming at investors to drive forward what we should all have access to, and that is everything in this space. 𝗕𝗪𝗔𝗡 in itself, we've previously covered that in a previous video. That's making crypto friendly for all. I think that's the best way to articulate it. It's making it accessible and friendly for all. And now, with the addition of the smart contract wallets, well, it's set to connect billions of people and companies worldwide. VeChain really are growing from strength to strength, in my opinion. If VeChain is not yet on your radar, well, it should be. Let's have a look at the charts. So we won't spend too much time on the charts today, guys. Let's just quickly look at the weekly chart to start off with here. The 1 week chart, Binance being the data source, yes, we are still looking for a continuation to the upside. However, we could still see the prices pull back beforehand. First of all, we will look at the stochastic positioning. We can see the stochastic indicator just now sitting at 48.95%. This oscillator does still have a bit of momentum to the downside, so we could see the prices carry on down. However, as we have seen, it doesn't have to go all the way down before we could see a push to the upside, but accompanied with the stochastic momentum, we can see that volatility is also dropping on down. So when we do look at the charts, what is really going on here? Well, first of all, we can see the weekly battle here for the 200 EMA, currently sitting at 2.887 cents. That will be the clean fight for the bulls and the bears this week. The bulls, of course, wanting to close higher than 2.887, and the bears will want to close it lower. So we can see the potential for a continuation to the downside on this weekly chart, with the stochastic potentially indicating that, we do still have a bit of room to come on down. This target area we do have here, or this typical retracement area, I should actually phrase that correctly, between 2.668 and 2.379. We could see this price come on down. Now, it's not a bad idea. We could see the price come down and test out the 50 EMA here at 2.408 cents before we do look for that next bullish push to the upside, and it will be a fantastic push overall. Should we see that price come on down to test out the 50 EMA, well, we could be looking for 4.338, upwards of 5.2 cents for VeChain. A fantastic push that would be overall. I do think, we should keep our eyes on that one. We'll quickly look at the daily chart before we wrap it up for today. The daily chart, once again, we have seen the potential that this move down could be complete here, meeting the minimum requirements for that wave 4 on this 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level we have previously marked off, as I absolutely butcher this chart. This area at the 3.08 cents level. So we have met minimum expectations, we know that already. The move coming on down, we are looking as an A, B and C structure. However, we could also be pairing this up a little bit deeper with W, X, Y, X and Z potentials. So we're not ruling out the potential for this to really drop on down again. We have seen on the daily, we are trading lower than the 50 EMA, the 50 SMA, a retest of equilibrium. Should we lose equilibrium, well, we could come on down here. But what we can see on the daily chart is the daily 200 EMA here, sitting at 2.392 cents. Where we do see this one marry up on the weekly chart with the 50 EMA. So a bit of, confluence there that we could see a continuation to the downside. But rest assured, overall, daily chart, the weekly chart, I am bullish on VeChain and I am looking for a continuation to the upside, not only on the charts, but everything we have just covered off in today's articles. From pioneering supply chain solutions to pushing boundaries of decentralization, VeChain has established itself as a transformative force in the blockchain landscape. The launch of the smart contract wallets marks another chapter in VeChain's compelling story. It's a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation and a reminder that VeChain isn't just shaping the future, it's building it brick by programmable brick. With the launch of smart contract wallets and trailblazing innovations like Vorge, VeChain isn't just connecting, billions, it's laying the foundation for a blockchain-powered future. So let's brace ourselves for an era of redefined supply chains, secure transactions, and unprecedented user powers. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's update.